Hi, hello. Today I have a really exciting video. I am going to be doing 4 different looks using the Jaclyn Hill The Vault collection. Looks like this. Today I'm going to be doing one look, and then the next video I'm going to be doing another look with the other palette, and then so on. So I'm going to be doing 4 different looks, testing the shades out, and I'm going to be doing swatches on my arm as well. Hopefully you'll get a good idea of what these palettes are like. I'm excited to try them. I've opened the package, but I haven't swatched any of them yet because I wanted to save it for this video. I love that it comes with this little pulley thing, so you can just grab this and pull the palettes out, which is great. This was £49, which I thought was a really good deal for 40 shadows basically. If you're going to buy the palettes individually, they are £15 each, which I feel like if you have the money, of course, I would buy the bulk bundle. So let's get into it. So there's 4 eyeshadow palettes with 10 shades in each palette. So let's talk about the palettes. So they are quite small and lightweight, so they're great for travel. So they look like this. On each design they're the same, but they have like different coloured confetti. So this one is the Dark Magic palette, which is the green one, so it has green confetti. And then you have the Armed and Gorgeous palette, which is the yellow one. Then you have Bling Boss, which is the purple shades, so obviously it has the purple design. And then lastly you have the Ring the Alarm, which is like a reddy orangey shade. I think it's like a burnt orange. They're the 4 palettes here. So this intro is going to be in every video because I explain the palettes. So inside you have the 10 shades, but I just want to show you the palette. So it has 10 shades and it comes with a mirror, which is great for Morphe. Of course, they don't really tend to put a mirror in their palettes, so again, great for the value of what it is. So other than that, that's pretty much it. You'll see swatches and explanation about the palette in each video, so I will put them in the eye up here. I believe it's up here or up here, I don't know. I'll put each video up there, and I'll also list them down in the description box, and also I'll make a playlist so it's again easy for you to see them. So keep on watching if you want to see what I create on my eyes using the Bling Boss palette. Okay, so today, like I said in the intro, I'm going to go in with Bling Boss. I want to work with like these shades. We will see. I definitely want to work with this bright purple here, and hopefully it will work well. I have set my eyelids. I used the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C0.5. If you want to know what's on my face, I just did a review on the foundation. I will list everything down below. That foundation video is up. I will link it in the eye up here. So it won't be out for a while yet. So okay, so I'll be doing swatches, so I'll put them up now. It obviously has 10 shades in each palette. The shades are Bling Bling, Hush Hush, Gem, Pizzazz, Mystic, Sparks, Glitz and Glam, Rockstar, Ballsy, and Berry Treasure. So that's them. This is a very interesting shade. It's like purple, black, gold, everything. But I don't know if I'm going to be using that today. But anyway, first I'm going to go in with Mystic, which is like a dark purple shade. I'm going to pack that on the brush. Not much kickback, which is good. We'll see if it has any fallout. So I'm going to pack this in the crease to start off with. Not go in too high. That is a very nice shade. Very dark and deep. Okay, so then next I'm going to take Sparks, which is like a dark purpley reddish tone. And I'm just going to put that slightly on top of that shade, just to blend, on top of Mystic, just to blend it out. Okay, so then on top of the shade Sparks, we're going to be applying Hush Hush, which is like a very cool tone, light purpley mauve shade. Okay, so this shade gives a lot of kickback. I'm just going to place that just above the shade Sparks. It's a very ashy kind of tone. Okay, so this palette doesn't have a highlight shade, so I'm going to go into the Armed and Gorgeous palette and take VIP. I have reviewed this palette already, so I'll link it up here, as well as the other palette reviews of the Vault collection. I've done a playlist, so go check that out. Just going to apply this to my brow bone. Okay, so now I'm going to go in and cut the crease. I'm just going to take the concealer that we concealed the eyelids with, and I'm using the Real Techniques Detailer brush. Let me know if you know any good crease cutting brushes, because I'd love to know. Okay, so then I'm going to go in to Mystic again, and I'm going to blend that concealer in with this shade. Then I'm going to go into Sparks again, which is the reddish shade, and I'm just going to blend that even more. Then I'm going to take Bling Bling, which is a gorgeous shade, and first I'm going to take that on a brush because I want to put this on the inner corner of the lid. See how pigmented this is with a brush. Okay, so it's not working for me with a brush. I'm going to go in with my finger. It does have a lot of fallout though, so be careful. Okay, so next to Bling Bling, I'm gonna take Gem, which is this really bright purple, shimmery purple. I'm gonna put this on my finger first, and I'm just placing that right in the center. This is so nice. Okay, so them two shades I put on my lid did give off a lot of fallout, but I just wiped it away. But these shades are stunning. Love this look. I haven't really played around with purples recently for like a long time, and this is looking so good. So for the lower lash line, I'm going to take Sparks. So again, I'm going to take VIP for the highlight, the inner corner highlight. Okay, so this look has turned out so much better than I thought it would have, because I don't tend to use purples. Don't know why, just don't. But I am loving this. Okay, so I'm going to go off camera, do this eye, apply mascara, lashes and everything like that, and I will be back. Okay, so these are the finished eyes. Very interesting, very different. Okay, so overall this palette, Bling Boss, is really nice. Blendability is amazing, nothing to worry about there. The shimmer shades were really nice. I would recommend applying them with a finger just because they do fall out quite a lot onto the lower lash line. Sorry about the dog, the postman's just come. So yeah, overall really like this palette. I would definitely use this again to make a purpley look. So like I said in the video, if you want to see the playlist of the other Vault palettes, then I'll put the link in the eye up here. I'll also list it down below in the description box. I will list everything on my face, including what I didn't show in this video, in the description box below, so make sure to check the description box out. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and give this video a thumbs up if you like kind of review videos and if you find them interesting. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this palette, if you're going to buy it, if you're going to buy just one of the palettes, if you're going to buy the whole bulk. I love you to the moon and back, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.